I'll show you how to best keep track of invoice payment. Trust me, this will make you look and feel like Excel guru in your office. If you have worked with SUMIF function and SUMIFs function for criteria-based summation, this would be another way of using sum function. Let's learn. Consider this data set where you want to calculate what is the total amount that was paid and what is the total amount that's unpaid. Normally what you do is say sum and you add up the monthly dues on column D. But you can appreciate that this only adds up whatever is due. But if you want to put a condition, you just multiply that by column E, and the condition for that will be equal paid. If the condition is false, it returns a 0 value, and multiplying it by the monthly due will exclude it from the summation. And now if you enter the status of paid, you can see it does add up the total in there. And likewise for unpaid, you just need to remove the paid status into a blank, and then you'll calculate the unpaid values.